What's up, guys? So back with another video. So I was in Best Buy, hunting around, buying some Christmas gifts, and I happened to fall upon a UAG case for the all-new iPad Pro 12.9, and I also had it for an 11-inch. So, I reached out to UAG, and I said, can I check this out? It looked cool. They said, sure, and I got it today, literally next day, and here's the video. As you can see, I opened it up, been using it, whatnot. But let's get to the nitty gritty first, obviously. Here, let's get to the price. So you're talking $89 for the 12.9 inch and $59 for the 11 inch. I've looked on Amazon and I don't see it available yet. It looks like I only see this at Best Buy, but I'll drop as many links as I can. Now, so as usual, you got the drop test military. You've seen these things dropped out of planes and whatnot. I'm not about to do this with my iPad. They're not sponsoring the video. They're not paying me for my iPad. But you got 360-degree protection. This is the Metropolis series, which is a pretty cool name. Here's the back where you can get some reading here. It's quite big. I'm trying to get it all on the camera so you guys can read it. Not, as you can see, not compatible with Smart Keyboard Folio, so you can't use them together. Obviously, in case for some idiot device, an Apple Pencil not included, yeah, you're gonna buy this and you're gonna get. There's their social media. You can check them out. Barcode if you guys that want to QR snap that. Designed in California, kind of like, I guess, copying Apple. Anyway, let's check it out. The unboxing experience with UAG is normally pretty simple. That's it. We toss it to the side. My dog can have a play with it. And now, here's the design. Nice, cool little branding there. Nice little cool branding there. On the inside, they got a little bit of branding there that you'll never see. There's that little honeycomb, to absorb the shock protection and whatnot. Anyway, so we got our iPad Pro, 12.9 inch right here. All right, camera is here. Camera cutout over there. See, am I in camera? Because a lot of people tend to complain if I'm not in camera. And it's just a case. You're just gonna pop it on. Not exactly rocket science. All right, you gotta make sure it snaps all around. I do have a glass screen protector on here, so you can see it does cover everything. There's no lifting going on. Now, one of the most important things about this case and pretty much any iPad Pro case is this Apple Pencil right here. If you do have it, some people do, some people don't. I do. I've bought countless number of cases, and maybe one will support charging it. Maybe, I think. I can't even remember. I think I got one third party that charges it, I think. Maybe not even that. But I know it holds it. All the other ones won't even hold it, never mind charge it. Now, in this case, pardon the pun, you see the way they built it is they have this pole that magnetically grabs there. But now, where your Apple Pencil would go, we take that, we drop it in a magnetic slot. As you can see, Apple Pencil is charging. And now all it simply does is go around it. So there you go. Your Apple Pencil is charged and it's secure. This I like. See, this I could carry around and I'm not afraid that Apple Pencil is going to drop out. Plus it looks cool. All right, let's see what else we can do with it. So apart from that, it's a case. It's got the UAG branding down there. And you can put it into different views. It just stays. If you want to do it like in a drawing position, down it goes. But it's more or less for your drops, and you can see the raised lips all around. This is going to protect. As you can see, I got the cracked tempered glass already. I didn't drop it, but just from taps. That's just the nature of, you got your cutout down there for your little microphone. Speaker cutouts and whatnot are over here. They're all perfect. Power button, nicely cut out here. Camera is perfectly cut out. My Siri's trying to send a message there. Anyway, the USB-C is perfectly cut out down here. More speaker space. That's it. So this is more or less a folio case. Yeah, this is more or less a folio case, but with extreme drop protection. Now, I'll reach out. I'll see if I can get a code, perhaps, maybe for Amazon when they do supply it. Maybe we can get a little bit of a discount. No promises, but all right, guys. If you like this little video, thumbs up. I love this case. I will be using it on the daily when I'm not using the smart keyboard case, obviously, since you can only use one. But I do carry it without the keyboard a lot, and this is perfect now. Don't even need a bag, really. Just carry it out just like that, and I'm not going to be afraid to drop my pen. Or pencil, whatever you want to call it. Anyway, guys, as usual, if you like this video, thumbs up, share it around. Let's get people to know this is a great case. It works, finally. That's the best part of it. All right, guys, see you in the next one. Merry Christmas and all that. Laters. Peace. Again, thumbs up, please. Thanks.